안녕하세요 여러분. Today our class is about chapter number 10. So let's start. 물건 is actually things, objects. 구입 is actually shopping. You can say 물건 구입 is shopping objects. He is saying 어서 오세요 is welcome. 과일 fruit. 싱싱 is fresh. 싱싱하네요. The fruit is fresh. OV vocabulary number 1. Sangthe Kwalyon. Sangthe is a description. Kwalyon about OV vocabulary. Khuda is big. Chakda is small. Shing hada, this is fresh. Sang hada is not fresh. Spoiled. Manda is many. Chokda is a little, a few. Sada is cheap and Pisada is expensive. Khabyopda is light in weight and Mugopda is heavy. Khilda is long and Chadda is short. Now there are also some important vocabulary words. Quail is fruit. Subak is watermelon. Talgi is strawberry. Orange. Sangja, box. Chal is better. Won is the name of Korean currency. Now next we have a exercise. Phogi is Nalshiga napayo. Is the weather bad? Anio no. Nalshiga chuayo. Chuayo is good. The weather is good. Now in picture number 1. Orangiga manayo. Orangiga manayo means there are so many oranges. Anyo no, we can say chokayo. The orange is only short. Sangjaga khabyovoyo. Khabyovoyo is light in weight. Anyo no, mugovoyo. We can say mugovoyo. No, it is heavy. Number 3. Subaki chakayo. Subak is actually watermelon. Watermelon is a little. Anio no. Khoyo is big. Cake ga sayo. Cake is cheap. The cake is very expensive, so we can say anio pisayo. Only we add ayo and oyo with our adjectives. Pisayo, sayo, mugoyo, they are adjectives in Korean language. Now next is munpab section. Neo is actually ended with a sentence which have a surprise. This is like surprise expression. Number 1. Subaki 정말 크네요. The watermelon is really big. 날씨가 정말 덥네요. Weather is really very hot. 니차난 씨 한국 음식 잘 만드네요. Neo is for surprising that Nichanan is very good in cooking of Korean food. Now there are some words we have to use in our sentences. Yongo is English language. Khongbu, Yongo study 어때요? How is the English language study? Chukum 어렵다. We add here 어렵다 and using neo. We must add neo after cutting da. Only da we cut and then add neo at the end. We can say 조금 어렵네요. Number 2. 날씨가 어때요? How is the weather? The 날씨 is today very cold. That's why we add this word in number 2, and after that cutting da we add only neo. We can say 오늘 정말 춥네요. 오늘 today is very cold. Number 3. 이 수박. This subak watermelon. Samman won이에요. Samman is actually 30,000 in Korean currency. So ne really 비싸다 and we add after the neo. So this is 비싸네요. This is very expensive. Number 4. 이 사람이, this person. 우리, our. 언니 is elder sister. 언니예요. This person is my elder sister. 언니가 예쁘다. We add 예쁘다 here in number 4. We can say 예쁘네요. Your elder sister is very beautiful. Now there is another exercise. 거기 is 커피가 어때요? How is the coffee? Now we have coffee and 뜨겁다. We can make our sentence like 커피가 뜨겁네요. 뜨겁네요 is very hot. The coffee is very hot. After adding e and ga with our subject, we can make our sentences. Now we will complete our exercise. In number 1, we have talgi. Talgi is strawberry. We make our question with talgi, and mashita is very delicious. So how we make? First we make our question, then we will give our answer. talgi가 어때요? How is the talgi strawberry? We can say talgi가 맛있네요. Strawberry is very delicious. Number 2, we have sagwa. Sagwa is apple, and 싱싱하다 is fresh. So sagwa가 어때요? 싱싱하네요. Sagwa is very fresh. Number 3, 날씨 is weather, and 바람이 많이 불다 is wind is blowing. So our question is 날씨가 어때요? How is the weather? Our answer is 바람이 많이 불네요. The wind is blowing. Now we have 대화 number 1. So let's listen.
어서 오세요.
어서 오세요. Welcome.
안녕하세요. 과일이 싱싱하네요.
안녕하세요. Hello. 과일이 fruits 싱싱하네요. Looking very fresh.
뭐가 맛있어요?
뭐가, what is 맛있어요? What is delicious here?
딸기하고 오렌지가 맛있어요.
딸기하고, 딸기 is strawberry, 하고 and 오렌지가 맛있어요, and oranges are very delicious.
그럼 딸기 한 상자하고 오렌지 5개 주세요.
그럼 therefore 딸기 strawberry 한 상자 one box 하고 and oranges 5개 5 주세요 give me. So give me a box of talgi and 5 oranges.
얼마예요?
얼마예요 means how much it is. What is the price of total?
2만 원이에요.
2만 원이에요. 2만 is actually 20,000. 2만 원이에요. It's 20,000 won. Now we have two questions. 과일이 어때요? How is the fruit at shop? Our answer is 싱싱하네요. 과일이 싱싱하네요. The fruit is fresh. In number 2, 푸엉은 무슨 과일 샀어요? What fruit did 푸엉 buy? So our answer is 딸기 한 상자하고 오렌지 5개 샀어요. She bought one box of talgi, strawberries and 5 oranges. This is our answer. Next we have exercise with these words. 어서 오세요. Welcome. 수박이 정말 크네요. The watermelon is really big. 얼마예요? What is the price? 2만 원이에요. 20,000 won. Now we will make our sentences with these following words. 어서 오세요. 포도가 정말 싱싱하네요. Grapes are really very fresh looking. 얼마예요? What is the price? 5,000 원이에요. Only 5,000 won. Now we have some important pronunciation. So let's listen.
1. 가,
가,
까,
가,
카,
가,
고,
고,
꼬,
고,
코.
코,
2. 가위,
가위,
까치,
까치,
카드.
카드. Now we have second vocabulary. So let's read. Hape is currency, myth is and, full full form is products, khume purchasing, and khwalyon about ohvi vocabulary. Now there are chipe. Chipe is currency notes. After that we have dongchon. Dongchon is coins. Korea's currency is baek is 100, chon is 1000, and man is 10,000. In the following we have hyongam is cash and shinyong khad, this is credit card. Next is sangpongwon, this is gift certificates. After that khap and khagyok is price. Khapsil kakda, khapsil kakda is price discount, and khesan hada is to pay. Noda is insert. Hojang hada and sada is to pack. Hakuda and kyohwan hada to exchange, and hawanbul hada is to refund. Now there are also some important words like haji is pant, khulda is carry and hold, oji ropda is very messy like dirty, hamke is together, shinbal shoes, thadda is to close, chongi khabang, chongi is paper and khabang is envelope, so we can say paper bag. So we have also some other exercise. Phogi is chigam mohyo, what are you doing now? Kyoman is exchange, so kyoman hyo, I am exchanging. Chigam mohyo, what they are doing now? So in this picture the person is asking for discount, so we can say khapsil kakayo. Number 2, chigam mohyo, he is paying, so we can say kesan heyo. Chigam mohyo, what they are doing? The customer is returning their shoes, we can say hawanbul heyo. Now we have grammar section. In grammar section we have a o chuseo. Chuseo is give me. If you are asking give me mobile, give me handphone, give me pencil, give me water, these are nouns. You just put chuseo. Yonpel chuseo, handphone chuseo, mul chuseo. If you are asking someone a verb, then you must add a and o before chuseo. If the last letter in your verb is a and o, then you must say a chuseo. And if you don't have a and o at the end of your verb, then you will say o chuseo. And if hada format, then you will say he chuseo. So in example we have uri chibe va chuseo. Let's come to our home. Actually va is, oda is a verb. In the last we have o, so we add a and then chuseo. This is va chuseo. Number 2, talgi chum shitto chuseo. Shitta is verb, that's why the end is siat. We add o. Shitto chuseo. Wash strawberry and give me. Haji ga chakayo. The pant is very short. Kyohwan he chuseo. Let's exchange. This is exchange. Kyohwan hada. So in the end we have, this is hada format, just put he chuseo. Now we have exercise with these words. Just put these words with a chuseo, o chuseo at the end of your sentence. In the phogi we have chigaman il heo, ohue chanhwa he chuseo. Chigam il heo. Now work 오후에 after that 전화해 주세요. give me a call. Number 1 사과가 상했어요. 상했어요 is spoiled, not fresh. 사과 교환해 주세요. 교환 is 하다. That's why we say 교환해 주세요. We can also say 바꿔 주세요 because 바꿔 is also exchange. Number 2 상자. 상자 is box. 너무 very 무거워요 heavy. The box is very heavy. 상자를 좀 틀어주세요. In the last we have real. That's why we add o. 틀어주세요. Give me help to carry this box. Number 3 김치찌개를 좋아해요. I like 김치찌개. 김치찌개를 만들어 주세요. 만들어 주세요. In the last we have real. Just put o. 만들어 주세요. Please make kimchi-jjigae for me. Number 4 사무실이. 사무실 is office. 어지럽네요 is very messy. 사무실을 좀 청소해 주세요. Kindly clean the office. Now we have another exercise. 포기 is 포장 좀 해 주세요. Kindly give me with packing. 네 알겠습니다. Yes, I understand. Now there is in number 1 값을 깎다. We can say 값을 좀 깎아 주세요. Give me some discount. In number 2 we have 신발을 가방에 넣다. We can say 신발을 가방에 넣어 주세요. We add o. 넣어 주세요. In number 3 창문을 닫다. We can say 창문을 닫아 주세요. In the last we add a and a here. 깎아 주세요. Then 넣어 주세요. Then 닫아 주세요. Now we have conversation number 2. Let's listen.
사장님, 이 바지 얼마예요?
사장님, 이 바지, this pant, 얼마예요? What is the price of this pant?
43,000원이에요.
Saman is 40,000 and Samchon is 3,000. So complete is 43,000. This is price.
43,000원이요?
Saman Samchon 43,000?
비싸네요. 좀 깎아주세요.
비싸네요 is it's very expensive. 좀 깎아주세요. Give me a little discount.
알았어요. 4만원 주세요.
알았어요. I understand. 4만 원 주세요. Give me only 40,000.
감사합니다. 종이 가방에 넣어주세요.
감사합니다. Thank you. 종이 가방 is paper bag. 넣어 주세요. Please put them in a paper bag. Now our question is 카를로시 무엇을 샀어요? What did Carlo buy? So our answer is 바지 샀어요. Number 2 바지를 얼마에 샀어요? We can say 4만 원에 샀어요. He bought in 40,000. Now we have another exercise with these words. After that we will make the new sentences with the following words. 무엇을 도와드릴까요? How I can help you? 옷이 좀 작네요. The clothes are smaller. 바꿔주세요. Give me exchange. 네 알겠습니다. Okay, I understand. Now we make our sentences. 무엇을 도와드릴까요? How I can help you? 오렌지가 정말 싸네요. The oranges are really very cheap. Now we add here 계산해 주세요. Let's go to the payment side. 네, 알겠습니다. Okay, I understand. So we have in the last we have a very important expression in Korean language. Let's listen.
이건 한국말로 뭐예요?
이건 this thing. 한국말로 is in Korean language 뭐예요? What is in Korean language?
이건 한국말로 뭐예요?
이건 한국말로 뭐예요? What is this in Korean?
그건 종이라고 해요.
그건 this thing 종이. 종이 is paper. 라고 here is called.